everyone again. I wanted to do a short little unboxing video for the CLOUDEES minis. It says 14 to collect, 3 surprises inside. And on the back it says look for your matching pets. I did one of these before, it's been a while now. These don't have snow though with them. You get a clip that you put on your little cloudy container so you can carry your pet wherever you go. Very cute and detailed. You get a checklist. Here are all the ones you can get. And on the back it says surprise pet inside. You have the list of what it is: commonly cool, pleasantly special, hot, or sizzling hot. So let's open it up and see which one I get or got. Okay, oh how cute. It's a little platypus. Looks like a little platypus. Here's its little tail. I love how they come with little tail accessories. They just don't have the clothes that the larger ones have. And I heard they have another series out. So then you can put your little tail in here. For some reason I cannot manage to get it all the way in. It's really hard. But there she is with her little tail. And I've got my little unicorn headband on to kind of be in theme. It has a little stand that you can stick your little pet on so it can stand better. Just like that. That is so cute. I'm outside so it might be a little noisy. So let's see which one I got. Okay, I got the one from Rainbow Drop Village, and her name is Wistful Platypus, and she has a red heart, and that means she is hot. They are all very cute. I like the Bluesy Kitty one, and my other one from Stormyville I got Shirley Panda, which she's adorable. I would love to get from Snowflake Hills and the one that has snow, Poised Polar Bear. They are all very, very, very cute. I hope you all are enjoying your day and the weather's not too hot. And again, here is the one I got from the mini CLOUDEES. So cute. I love how she winks on one side and on the other her eyes open. Look at her blushy little cheeks. There's a little cloudy on here with rain. It's neat how it's translucent too. Translucent, see-through. Very, very, very cute. I'm trying to talk loud so you can hear me amongst all the cars going by. Sorry about that. I love how she looks. Very cute little bushy tail. I'll have to open the other one that I got that has snow, but that'll be another time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing of the mini Cloudies and everything. And before I go, you can carry her along in the packaging, but the only thing is you have to take the tail out so you can, because you can't close it. So you can put them both back in here like so, and then close it up so then you can take it wherever you go. You can hang it on your backpack, whatever you want to do. But that is adorable. Okay, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you later. Bye.